That Lamar is a brave man, isn't he, Mom? Is there anything he's afraid of?
Howie, let me just tell you this. He may not be afraid of the banker.
Good.
But I'm sorry, Lamar, I gotta tell it. He's afraid of Big Bird.
Big Bird from Sesame Street? Is that true?
Okay.
What?
I told him not to sit on TV. But truthfully, my mom, when I was younger, she had a Big Bird chair, and it sat right by my door.
Right.
And the eyes were huge.
Right.
And so at night, Big Bird would be coming toward me like, you know. And to this day, I still have flashbacks of Big Bird coming down the hall like,
Really?
I'm dead serious, man.
Well, we'll get you down this hall. Lamar, if you believe...
You can achieve.
Okay.
You can achieve.
The decision has to be yours. But this is scary. One huge amount, 2 cases. This is very scary. Lamar, focus on me. How scary is this? Do you feel scared? Well, we have someone to help you get over your fear. Big Bird's just here to help, Lamar.
Come on back, Lamar.
Scared.
Hey, I'm here to wish you a Merry Christmas. Lamar.
Hey,
Lamar, you know what? You remind me of my best pal. He's Snuffy. He's a snuffleupagus. And you know, you have to learn to face your fears because I was afraid of Snuffy when I first saw him. So it's nice to see a guy who reminds me of my pal Snuffy. And I want to give you one bit of advice, too. Listen to this and always remember, if you believe,
yes,
you will achieve.
Right. Thank you so much for coming, Big Bird. You've really helped.
Okay. Nice to see you.
We love you. Bye, Big Bird.
Bye.
Everybody say bye right here.
Crazy, man.